Welcome to this comprehensive music production tutorial. If you've ever wanted to create your own song but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. This guide will take you step by step through the entire process of producing a song, from initial ideas to the final mix. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will help you bring your musical vision to life. Conceptualizing your song. Brainstorm ideas. Start with a concept or theme for your song. This could be based on personal experiences, emotions, or a specific message you want to convey. Choose a genre. Decide on the genre of your song. This will influence the instruments, tempo, and overall feel of the track. Writing the lyrics. Draft the lyrics. Write down your lyrics based on the theme or story you want to tell. Focus on creating a catchy chorus and meaningful verses. Refine and edit. Go through your lyrics and refine them. Ensure they flow well with the melody and convey the message you intend. Composing the melody. Create a basic melody. Start by humming or playing a simple melody on an instrument. This melody will form the backbone of your song. Experiment with chord progressions. Use different chord progressions to add depth and emotion to your melody. Play around until you find something that complements your lyrics. Arranging the song. Structure your song. Arrange your song into sections, typically including an intro, verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. Add layers. Start layering different instruments to build the arrangement. Begin with drums and bass. Then add harmony and rhythm sections like guitars or keyboards. Recording the tracks. Set up your equipment. Ensure your recording equipment is set up properly. This includes your DAW, digital audio workstation, microphone, and instruments. Record each part. Record the vocals and each instrument separately. Be patient and take multiple takes to capture the best performance. Editing and arranging. Edit the tracks. After recording, edit each track to remove any unwanted noise or mistakes. Use tools like EQ and compression to clean up the sound. Arrange the final structure. Rearrange and fine-tune the different sections of your song to create a cohesive structure. Mixing the song. Balance the levels. Mix the different elements of your track by balancing the volume levels. Ensure that no single instrument or vocal overpowers the others. Apply effects. Use reverb, delay, and other effects to enhance the overall sound. These effects should add depth without overshadowing the core elements. Mastering the track. Final mix adjustments. Before mastering, make sure the final mix is balanced. Listen to it on different devices to check for any inconsistencies. Mastering process. Apply mastering techniques to maximize the track's loudness and clarity. Use tools like limiters, EQ, and multi-band compression to polish the final sound. Exporting and sharing. Export the final track. Once your song is mastered, export it in a high-quality format, like WAV or MP3. Share your song. Upload your song to music platforms, social media, or share it with friends and family. Consider creating a music video or lyric video to accompany the track. Congratulations on producing your song. You've now gone through the entire process, from initial idea to final product. Keep practicing and experimenting with different techniques, and soon you'll be creating even more amazing music. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to CyberTheo for more music production tips and tutorials.